In this tutorial, we will see how to transfer your contacts from one Google account to another account. So we will click these dots in the bottom. There is a contact is here. We'll click it here. New window tab will open, and there is one option import. We will look for the export. So this is for the import button. So now I will click export. Since I am going to, I have a 2211 contact, so I will export this file. And then this export file is saved here as the name of contacts. So I will use it to import now. So we have seen we have exported from here. So we'll go to our another profile page where we want to import the contacts. So I want to import my work location. So I will come to this. I will click to these three dots. Then the same way I will come to the contacts. Where is my contacts? Is this the contacts here? In the contact page, there is a import. So we'll click this button and select the file which we just downloaded. I download it here. So I will select this file and we'll click import. Now it's importing the contacts from my personal mail to my work mail, and this progress is going. Once this is done, then all the contacts will be visible in your mobile as well. See, all the contacts have been done. So this is the easiest way to transfer your mobile contacts from one account to another. Thank you for watching.